Why does recovery get faster when we use REGENETEN for a rotator cuff tear? A randomized controlled trial published in 2026 gives a clear answer. Compared with traditional suture ankle repair, the time to return to daily life was cut in half. Return to driving, 2.3 weeks versus 5.1 weeks. Return to office work, 1.7 weeks versus 3.6 weeks. Return to moderate household chores, 3.8 weeks versus 8.4 weeks. And this came without any increase in pain, with tendon healing at 1 year on MRI that was comparable to suture repair. So why is it this fast? REGENETEN is a bioinductive implant made from highly purified type 1 collagen. Placed over the injured tendon, it guides your own body to form new tendon tissue over about 6 months, and the tendon grows thicker. In partial thickness tears, the tendon is not cut or pulled down and sutured, so this tendon-sparing approach allows a faster recovery. Even in full thickness tears, adding REGENETEN reduced the 1-year re-tear rate by about 3 times in a randomized trial. This is not just a repair, it is biological regeneration. These are simply the reflections I have gathered from performing around 300 cases since 2024, shared here alongside the wider research. Thank you.